Can I prove that banks are secretly keeping us broke? You might think you're doing everything right, working hard, saving your money, but somehow it feels like you're not getting ahead. The truth is,
This is the silent wealth killer almost nobody talks about. Spending just $100 a week doesn't feel like anything.
Let's take a closer look at how banks operate and whether they're really working in your favor. Low interest rates on savings accounts are one way banks quietly diminish your financial well-being. You might earn a small percentage of interest, but it's often not enough to keep up with inflation. High fees are another culprit, whether it's monthly maintenance fees, overdraft fees, or ATM fees. These can add up quickly, reducing your account balance without you even realizing it. Inflation itself is also a silent wealth eroder. As prices rise, the purchasing power of your money decreases. The impact of inflation on your savings account can be significant. For example, if you have $10,000 in a savings account earning 1% interest, but inflation is 2%, you're actually losing $1,000 in purchasing power over the course of a year. Hidden bank fees are another issue. Overdraft fees, for instance, can range from $25 to $35 per occurrence. If you're not careful, these fees can quickly add up. Banks also profit from your money by investing it in higher-yielding assets while paying you a lower interest rate. The silence aspect of all this comes from a lack of transparency. Banks aren't always upfront about how these mechanisms work or how they're impacting your finances. It's easy to overlook the fine print or not understand the implications. As a result, many people don't realize they're losing money until it's too late. This lack of awareness makes it hard for consumers to take control of their financial well-being. To protect your wealth, it's essential to understand how banks operate and how they're impacting your finances. Be aware of the fees you're paying and the interest you're earning. Consider exploring alternative banking options or investment strategies that can help you grow your wealth. If you've had similar experiences with banking, share your stories in the comments below. Subscribe for more videos on personal finance and wealth protection to stay informed and take control of your financial future.